Hi guys, welcome to another video from Car Help for You. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn a BMW into a keyless BMW. So for instance, this car, once the key's in, the car will only then start up. As you can see there, it started up. Once the key is in, the car started up, the key won't actually come back out until I turn the ignition off. You might want to have yours keyless. For example, you might have a bunch of keys there. When you're driving, your knee will keep hitting off them. But the method for this is, once the car's actually started, you put a foot on the clutch and the brake, push them down, turn the ignition off, take the key out, press the start button again, and the car will just fire back out. And you can see I've got the key there, the car started up, I can do all the actions, unlock and lock the car perfectly fine, no problem. I can even use the media settings there. My brightness isn't very good, but you can see that. This is a 520D 2010 plate, however I'm certain it works on almost any car like this. In order to then turn your car back off, because you'll notice if you're pressing the stop button, the speedometer isn't actually going off properly, the handbrake lights are on, whereas if you were to take your key out it would go off. So what you do is you lift your foot off the accelerator, off the clutch and the brake, you press the stop button again and it just goes back into the normal mode. To restart it then, you will need the key again, as it won't read it, as it's not reading this one now. Please like, share and subscribe, thank you.